Do you know which is the one habit that instantly makes you sound junior at your workplace? It's over-explaining. When someone asks a simple question, don't give them a 5 minutes background story. Why? Leaders speak in clarity. For example, instead of so what happened there was, say, the delay happened due to vendor approval. It is resolved now. Be clear, direct and confident. Save this for your next meeting. Follow Clear Talk by Yogita for such more tips. And also do not forget to subscribe our channel Clear Talk by Yogita. The link is there in the bio.